Hello everyone, my name is Nawaz Alvano Islami. My student number is 25 14 5000 and 1. I'm from Logistic 1A. Today, I will explain you about my daily routine activity as a student majoring at Institute Oil and Gas Academy. Today, I would like to talk about my daily routine activity. Daily routine is the set of activities that we do every day, from the moment we wake up until we go to sleep.
Even though
It might seem simple, our daily routine plays an important role in shaping our habits, productivity, and lifestyle. As students living in
dormitory
environment, we have rules and maintain a high level of discipline. From regulation to tidiness, everything is highly valued to instill integrity in each student. By sharing my daily routine, I hope you can get a better understanding of how I manage my time during the day and maybe find some inspiration that you can apply in your life. Now, let me start by telling you how my daily usually begins. Before I continue, I would like to say that having a daily routine is very important, especially for students like us who have many responsibilities. Without a clear routine, it is easy to waste time, feel tired, or lose focus. Routine helps organize me and my day so that I can balance academic activities, religious activities, and personal life. Living in dormitory also trains me to be more independent and responsible for myself. In the first, I usually wake up very early at 4 o'clock in the morning. Waking up early is not easy, but it has become a habit that's helped me feel more disciplined. After waking up, I take a moment to prepare myself and then doing subuh prayer at Fiatra Mosque. This prayer is very important to me because it helps me to start the day with calm, gratitude, and positive mindset. In the morning, discipline is the key.
waking up early
Teach me to value time and be responsible for my own schedule. At first, it was difficult to wake up at 4 o'clock, but over time, my body and mind became used to it. This habit has a positive impact on my daily life because I feel more productive and motivated throughout the day. Praying in the morning also helped me to control my emotion and thought. It reminds me to be grateful and patient, especially when facing academic pressure or personal challenge. Starting the day with prayer gives me inner peace and strength to face all activities. After finishing the subuh prayer, I continue my morning by doing some exercise together with a friends. I usually do light exercise such as stretching, jogging, or simple workout around the Fiatra area. Morning exercise help me keep my body healthy, improve my concentrations, and feel more energetic throughout the day. And then, when I finish exercising, I have breakfast at the Restify. Breakfast is one of the most important meals of the day because it gives me energy to do my activities. I usually eat simple but nutritious food. While having breakfast, I try to prepare myself mentally for a long and busy day on campus. Exercising in the morning is not only good for physical health but also for mental health. When I exercise with my friends, we motivate each other and build strong relationships. This simple activity makes the morning more enjoyable and reduce stress. Breakfast is another important part of my routine. If I skip breakfast, I usually feel tired and less focused during class. Therefore, I always try to eat on time even if the food is simple. Good nutrition help me to stay active and concentrate better during lectures.
Next,
I start preparing for campus. I take a shower, clean myself, and wear my campus uniform neatly. I also make sure that all my campus equipment, such as books and stationery, is ready. Being well prepared helps me feel more confident before leaving for campus. After that, I leave for campus together with my friends. We line up and walk to campus in an organized manner. Walking together not only help us arrive on time, but also teach us discipline, responsibility, and teamwork. This activity strengthens our friendship and sense of togetherness. My campus activity start at 7:30 in the morning and usually end at 5 o'clock in the afternoon. During this time, I attend various courses and follow lectures from different lecturers. I try to listen carefully, take notes, and actively participate in class discussion. Besides being a regular student, I also have responsibility as the class leader. At the beginning of the class, I help organize the class and make sure everything is ready. At the end of each class, I collect the attendance list from the lecturer. After that, I submit the attendance to academic office. This responsibility teach me leadership
time management,
and communication skills. After all lectures and campus activity are finished, I return to dormitory. When I arrive, I take some time to clean myself and rest. This moment is important for me to relax after a long and tiring day. During lectures, I try to be an active student. I believe that learning is not only about listening, but also about asking questions and sharing opinions. Sometimes the lessons are challenging, but I try my best to understand them by taking notes and discussions with friends after class. Being a class leader also gives me valuable experience. I learn how to communicate with lecturers, manage my classmates, and solve small problems in class. This role helped me become more confident and responsible, which will be useful for my future career. In the evening, I perform the Maghrib prayer. After that, I have dinner. Dinner is a good time to regain energy and share stories with the friends. After dinner, I usually study and review the materials that I learned during the day. Studying at night helped me to understand the lessons better and prepare for the next day. But on the other hand, because I'm also involved in student association organization, this also adds to my responsibilities, such as attending meeting, running work programs on weekend, or even during class hours. This requires me to have good time management skills considering priorities. Joining a student organization teach me many life skills that I cannot learn only from textbook. I learned teamwork, leadership, and problem solving. Managing time between class, organization activities, and rest is not easy, but it trains me to set priorities and make good decisions.
Sometimes
I feel tired, but I remind myself that this experience is part of my personal development. I believe that being active on campus will help me grow up as a person and prepare me for the working the world. At 9 o'clock at night, I attend the evening roll call. This is a compulsory activity that all students must follow. The evening roll call helps maintain discipline and order in the dormitory. And finally, after completing all activities, I take rest and go to sleep. Getting enough sleep is very important so that I can wake up early, stay healthy, and be ready to face the next day with enthusiasm.
at night,
Reflection is an important part of my routine. Before going to sleep, I usually think about what I have done during the day. I reflect on my mistakes and achievements so that I can improve myself the next day. This habit helps me become more aware of my actions and encourages me to keep learning and growing. That is my daily routine from morning until night as a student majoring at Institute Oil and Gas Academy. Even though my routine is quite simple, I believe that having a regular daily routine helps me stay organized, disciplined.
and productive.
Everyone has a different daily routine depending on their activities and responsibilities. However, the most important thing is how we use our time wisely and balance our work, rest, and personal life. Thank you so much for your attention. I hope my presentation is useful for you all. Have a nice day.